YouTube is a popular website. People watch videos on it. In Nepal, many people use YouTube every day. Did you know you can earn money from YouTube? You can. It's a great way to share your passion and earn income. Many people in Nepal are becoming successful YouTubers. They make videos about things they love. This could be cooking, travel, comedy, or anything else. If you have an idea, you can share it on YouTube. You can earn money from advertising, sponsorships, and more. It takes hard work and dedication, but it can be a rewarding experience. Are you ready to start your YouTube journey in Nepal? Let's learn how. First, you need a Google account. If you use Gmail, you already have one. Go to YouTube and click Sign In. Then click Create a Channel. Choose a name that reflects your content. Upload a nice profile picture and cover image. Your channel is your brand. Make it look good. Next, fill out the About section. Tell people what your channel is about. Be clear and concise. Now you're ready to upload videos. Think about your passions. What do you love to do? What do you know a lot about? Your niche should be something you enjoy. Consider your audience. What do people in Nepal want to watch? You can make videos about Nepali culture, food, travel destinations, or anything uniquely Nepali. Research popular Nepali YouTube channels. What are they doing well? What kind of content gets the most views? This can give you ideas. Remember to be original. What unique perspective can you bring? Your unique voice will help you stand out from the crowd. Make high-quality videos. Use good lighting and sound. Edit your videos well. People should enjoy watching them. Keep your videos concise and to the point. People have short attention spans. Get to the point quickly and keep them engaged. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see. Make it interesting and relevant to your video's content. Interact with your viewers. Reply to comments and messages. Ask for feedback. Building a community will help your channel grow. Section 5. The Algorithm Game. Working with YouTube, not against it. YouTube's algorithm decides which videos to show people. Understanding how it works can help your videos get seen. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about. Think about what people would search for to find your video. Encourage watch time. The longer people watch your videos, the better. Create content that keeps viewers engaged from beginning to end. Promote your videos on other platforms. Share them on social media, forums, and with your friends and family. Section 6. Earning money on YouTube. Turning views into income. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for monetization through Google AdSense. This lets you earn money from ads on your videos. Explore sponsorships. Brands may pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. Make sure they are a good fit for your channel. Sell merchandise. If you have a loyal following, you can create and sell merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Section 7. Connecting with Nepal, making your content relatable. Speak the language. Use Nepali in your videos to connect with your local audience. You can add English subtitles for wider reach. Showcase Nepali culture. Highlight the beauty of Nepal, its traditions, festivals, and way of life. Share your unique perspective as a Nepali YouTuber. Collaborate with other Nepali creators. This can help you reach a wider audience and build relationships within the YouTube community. Section 8. Overcoming challenges. Every YouTuber's journey. It takes time to grow a YouTube channel. Be patient and consistent with your uploading schedule. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Deal with negative comments constructively. Not everyone will like your content, and that's okay. Respond politely or ignore them. Stay updated with YouTube's policies and guidelines. These can change, so it's important to stay informed to avoid any issues with your channel. Section 9. Your YouTube adventure begins now. Starting a YouTube channel in Nepal can be exciting and rewarding. You can share your passions, connect with others, and earn income. Remember to be patient, persistent, and creative. Create high-quality content that your audience will love. Engage with your viewers and build a community. Embrace the challenges and enjoy the journey. Nepal is waiting to hear your story. Go for it.